Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best custom name necklace for a friend, the HUAN XUN Kennedy name necklace. This personalized necklace is not only stylish but also a meaningful way to celebrate your closest relationships with a truly custom piece. The HUAN XUN Kennedy name necklace is crafted from high-quality stainless steel and features an 18K gold plating that adds a luxurious shine while remaining hypoallergenic. This makes it perfect for everyday wear without worrying about irritation or allergies. The necklace comes with a sturdy cable chain measuring 16 inches, plus a 2-inch extension, so you can adjust the length for the perfect fit. What makes this necklace truly special is its personalized nameplate pendant. You can customize it with any name or initial, making it an ideal gift for your best friend, mother, wife, daughter, or anyone special in your life. The design is elegant yet simple, allowing the name to stand out clearly and beautifully. The clasp used is a lobster style, which is known for its reliability and ease of use, so you won't have to worry about the necklace slipping off during wear. Because it's made of stainless steel, this necklace is durable and resistant to tarnishing, meaning it keeps its shine and color for a long time. This necklace fits a variety of occasions, whether you're celebrating birthdays, anniversaries, Mother's Day, or just want to surprise someone with a meaningful, personalized gift. It is versatile enough to complement both casual and formal outfits, adding a personal touch to any look. Customization is straightforward with the HUAN XUN necklace. You simply select your desired name or initials, and the craftsmanship ensures that every letter is clear and precise. This level of personalization makes it a unique keepsake that your friend will cherish. In summary, the HUAN XUN Kennedy name necklace combines high-quality materials, thoughtful design, and customizable features to deliver an exceptional personalized jewelry piece. It's a meaningful gift that celebrates friendship and connection in a stylish, durable package. If you want to give your best friend a gift that's both beautiful and deeply personal, this necklace is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more honest reviews.